Welcome to Wasp3D Designer. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create transparent overlays for videos. Overlays are commonly used for watermark logos or text like exclusive and first visual in news bulletins, and they can be either static or moving. For a static overlay, import an image or add text to your scene. Adjust its size, position, and other parameters as needed. For images, control transparency by adjusting opacity in the texture pool's standard parameters, or by using the visibility option below the viewport. For text, transparency is managed through either visibility or the alpha channel in Fore Color. This creates a clean, transparent overlay on your video or live feed. For a moving overlay, group your text and logo together. In the texture pool, create an RT texture and assign it to a material. You can apply this material in layout or on any object. Then, in the hierarchy, right-click on the group, enable render texture, and disable back buffer. When back buffer is off, the object hides in the scene, but because render texture is active, it still appears through the RT. To control transparency, adjust the opacity of the render texture directly from the texture pool's standard parameters. And to add motion, animate the UV offset of the RT texture, creating a smooth looping overlay. In the previous example, we saw how to create a transparent overlay. Now let's make it dynamic so that both the image and text can be changed as needed. To begin, we need to make the image and text editable. For the image, first select it in the hierarchy pool, then go to its parameters and change the fit option from image size to fill. Next, go to the texture pool. It's always better to name your assets in the scene for clarity and easy management. After that, right-click on the image and enable the Editable in Form option. Next, move to the variable sheet and create a W-string variable. Rename it appropriately and wire this variable with the text. Now, switch to the Form tab. At the bottom left corner of the screen, open the variable sheet. Inside User Defined, you'll see the image and text variables we just created. Drag and drop both variables into the form and place them properly. Select the image box and assign the default directory. Then, select the text box and set the max length value for the text input. Once done, save the template and open it in the Wasp3D Playout client. Here, you'll be able to change both the image and the text dynamically, as per requirement. And that's it. You've now learned how to create both static and moving transparent overlays in Wasp3D. Thanks for watching and keep designing smarter with Wasp3D.